If you don't meet the brief, then unfortunately things aren't going to go your way.
Sarah and George.
I mean, I walked in here and I was like, oh, I'm in love.
Whoa.
Come on, buddy.
Daniel and Jade.
I mean, we're definitely in 2020. This is hot. Like, it's hot, hot, hot.
Thanks, Dad.
Luke and Jasmine.
This bathroom feels right.
Jimmy and Tam.
The buyer that's looking for a house like this is going to love this direction.
Oh, she's tight. Here we go. Shayna. Harry and Tash.
This is not 20s. It's earlier.
Tough one.
Oh, she's hard, mate. She's hard.
Sarah and George.
This luxury in here at the front of the house is off the charts.
Oh, well done.
Nice one.
Daniel and Jade.
If you could pick one of the worst laminates to put in this bathroom, that's possibly it.
Luke and Jasmine.
And the way they've done the tiles to mirror that length is gorgeous.
Jimmy and Tam.
Can't stop smiling because it makes me so happy.
She's tight. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, Neil Whittaker, Harry and Tash.
Please pay attention to the brief.
Sarah and George.
It is part bathroom, part cathedral.
Daniel and Jade.
I'm going to be blunt. It's a cop-out.
Luke and Jasmine.
It feels appropriate to the age of the house, but it also feels appropriate to 2020.
And Jimmy and Tam.
I just get the sense that Jimmy and Tam really like the 50s.
Okay, adding them up. Okay, scores are in, and don't forget just how important every single point is from here on in. All right, the winner of Guest Ensuite Week. And the question that everybody is asking, can they do it again? The answer is... oh, yes, they did!
Well done. You're amazing.
Well done, guys. The trifecta, 3 in a row.
3 in a row. It feels amazing.
Another 10,000 from Ford to add to your kitty, which I'm sure is going to help you try and secure yet another win next Sunday.
Is this just
Are they setting us up to like have like a beer? I don't know.
who knows?
But this is just crazy.